see state government facing more problem regarding law and order, drug mafia, rapes. Every day rapes are happening in Karnataka. Bangladeshi people, more than 2 lakhs people are staying in Karnataka. Many issues there. But they are not ready to discuss these issues. Burning issues. This is all burning issues. They want to criticize the central government. That Narega. So that's why they call the session. I think what is the outcome of this session? What is the outcome? After discussion, they will write a letter to the central government. That's the finish. Nothing will happen. Central government brought this Vikasit Bharat project for the to help the poor people, village people, transparency. That is in this Vikasit Bharat program. But Congress people don't want that transparency. They want to grab the money, loot the money. That's why they are objecting. Central government announced 40-60 scheme. First it was the 90 plus 10, 90% central government, 10% state government.
Mainly their objection, remove the Mahatma Gandhi.
What is there? Bharat. In Mahatma Gandhi, many projects in Mahatma Gandhi name. So this is Vikasit Bharat. It's not a Modi scheme. It's not a Atal Bihari Vajpayee scheme. Bharat scheme, Vikasit Bharat scheme. Gandhiji loves Ram. Gandhiji loves Bharat. We are following the Gandhiji ideology more than name. Ideology is important. But Congress people want to grab the money. That's why they are objecting.
What your response to their accusation? They made an allegation that you are snatching the power from Panchayat and mainly the 60-40 share. State government, the BJP's rules, the state government only can't run this scheme.
No. In the Act only, in 16/1, the Act only clearly says entire power given to the village Panchayat.
Sorry, you tweeted.
So that's why there is no problem, I think. The monitoring, planning, everything Gram Panchayat.
Sir, you tweeted government against yesterday. German chancellor,
It's a shame to Congress party. They went to meet Rahul Gandhi. They can meet Rahul Gandhi anytime. But this chancellor, German chancellor, it's rare cases. We can get 3 years, 4 years time, more than 10 years. World third biggest economy. So when he is coming to the Bangalore, we have to proud. So he is coming to Bangalore, we have to honor. CM must be present in that receiving. And for industries in Karnataka, we want many industries come to Karnataka. So this is not discussed by the CM. He is not gone to receive the chancellor, German chancellor. He made a mistake because Karnataka people lost the opportunity because of Siddaramaiah, Niddaramaiah.
Sir, more than 50% of illegal Bangladeshis are arrested.
So every day in the news, media, we are seeing 60 members in Bangladesh, 100 members in Bangla, people is there, in the sheds is there. So Congress using the vote bank. They are every day they are giving the ration card, voter ID for the vote, not for the safety of the Karnataka, not safety for the India. They want vote, not safety of India, for the Congress people.
And yesterday, Chief Minister and DCM DK Shivakumar met Rahul Gandhi separately.
Discussion.
The video is going to be so viral. So how do you look at that?
Yeah, it's 20 minutes, 20 second CM, 16 second DCM. That is their time. The value of these two top leaders, 20 second to 16 seconds. What happened to Karnataka Congress leaders? This is shame to Congress leaders in Karnataka.
Sir, DK Shivakumar tweeted that efforts will fail, but prayers will not fail. So do you see it's out of frustration DK Shivakumar tweeted like this ongoing power politics within the Congress? How do you see this?
Because every DK Kumar schemes, Siddaramaiah is doing fail. He becoming a fail student now. DK Kumar become the fail student. So every attempt he fail because Siddaramaiah doing all the tricks to fail DK Kumar. So I think Karnataka, the power sharing, last 2 years, there is no development in Karnataka. Only power sharing happening. DK Kumar will become CM. Siddaramaiah will resign. This is the words every media. But there is no development, there is no administration, law and order failure. Thank you.